Wow, wow, wow. Fabulous open floor plan, 2-story foyer, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath custom-built home, orig builder's own home, on a premium private fenced lot. Incredible curb appeal, window boxes, covered front porch, flagpole, prof landscaping, side entry 2.5 car garage, extra wide huge concrete driveway, privacy fenced lot. Yard is much wider than large fenced backyard area. Huge 12 by 10 shed west/full second story and 10-foot ceilings. New windows, new wood floors, carpet, new white granite custom kitchen, new glass subway tiled bathroom, new paint etc. Huge master bedroom west/trade ceiling, huge master bath west. Double sinks, jetted tub, separate shower, separate toilet area with door, walk-in closet, large extra bedrooms and second floor laundry. Great room west/gorgeous gas fireplace, formal dining, breakfast nook west/sliders to huge 2-tiered deck, den west/built-in bookshelves, mudroom, pantry, large foyer. Finished basement with daylight windows, family room and rec room. Tons of storage. Move-in condition.